Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can add a catchy plugin to your website and you can use it to improve the speed of your website. Okay, now just go to plugins and click add new, and here in search plugins just search for WP Catchy and you will see this WP Fastest Catchy. Just install this 1+ million active installations. Just click this and activate. Okay, now what we need to do is just click this and click clear all catchy. Also delete catchy and minify CSS or GSS. Now just click here WP Fastest Catchy, and what you need to do is here catchy system, just enable it and you can select what are the things you need to minify, and I'm going to submit it. In settings we will add browser catching. Okay, just click here and just click submit. Okay, after you do anything in your WP admin, what you need to do is just clear the catchy, because if you do anything here it will not change in the front end. So what you need to do is just after everything you do in your backend, just clear the catchy. Okay, now we see how we can configure our catchy plugin. Now I am going to retest the speed, whether it is increased a little bit or not. See, our website score is increased. Now we have added this leverage browser catching, so it has increased our speed to 92. Now another thing what you are going to do now is add a plugin to optimize the images. So in plugins just click add new, and here just search for, and you will find here WP Optimize. Just install now and activate it. Okay, once you activate it, just click this WP Optimize, and now we will clear the optimize the first we will optimize the database. So just click all and click run all selected optimizations. Okay, it's completed. Now we will select images, and in the bottom you will see all the images of our website. Just click select all. Here you will see the compression limit. You just make it to very less and click select all. Now click compress the selected images. Okay, all our images are optimized. Now I'm going to close this and come here, and I'm going to click retest. See, our page score is increased by 2%. Also here it showed 50%. Now it increased to 70%. Okay, like this we need to improve our page speed so that it will load faster and it will eventually increase your position in Google. This is how you need to do on page SEO optimization. Okay, I hope this video helps.